What is up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweden, man. Anyways, so today's episode, man's gotta go get the tires done, and I need a top-up oil for my Audi R8 V10 Plus. So I went to Audi yesterday and tried to get that done, but they were gonna overcharge me somehow. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys the full story and the rundown, and yeah, just be aware next time, you know, in case if you have a car like this and you're trying to go get stuff done on it, just be careful where you go and how you go about it. You feel me? That being said, make sure you're subscribed. We're getting closer to 700 subscribers, so please, we need 10 more. So if you're watching, please make sure you smash the subscribe button real quick. Alright, I feel you. Alright, that being said, hang on tight, more to come. Alright, yeah. Alright, my car is so filthy, but before I proceed, here's the reason why we're getting new tires. Look at that. It's done. It's completely done. And this car needs to be clean, obviously, and we're probably gonna need new wheels as well. But yeah, I parked the car outside last night just because I knew I was gonna be going early today, so that's why I did what I did. So yeah, let me give you all a cool start and we'll carry on the video real quick. Yeah, YOLO. Alright, so here comes the cool start of a 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus. That being said, headphone users, be aware. Yeah. Okay. And as loud as I thought it was gonna be. That being said, probably because we're outside. Normally when I do a cold start, I normally do it in the garage, and now we're outside. So, and as loud as I thought it was gonna be. It is what it is. You feel me? But y'all got the cold start. I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit, then carry on where I'm going to go get the tires. And yeah, I might need gas like over here every freaking day. Right now I currently have 280 kilometers to go to empty. I filled up the tank 2 days ago, and I haven't driven that far to the best of my ability, but yeah, it's crazy still. It is what it is, yo. Alright, so like I was saying, I went yesterday to Audi Durham to go get me 1 liter top-up oil for my 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus. And first what I did was I went to the AutoZone to go get the oil. I called them first to make sure they had one, and I was told mobile one. So I went there, and there was another clerk that was there. He was like, yo, are you sure you do know exactly which one you need? I'm not 100% sure exactly which one I needed. So I'm like, you know what? I just need a top-up oil. I used to do this with my Audi RS5. Well, I went to Audi dealership and then go purchase that from there and just top it up there. Easy process. It's engine oil. It's easy. So 2 tools. I went there and went to Audi, and they were like, yo, this is not gonna be an easy process. It's gonna take about half an hour to top up your oil. I'm like, half an hour? They're like, yeah, half an hour. I'm like, god damn. So I'm like, okay, tell me more. So they're like, yeah, it takes a special tool. They're gonna have to use a dipstick to top up 1 liter of oil, which they call, literally say you need 1 liter of oil. You need a dipstick for that shit? Are you a dipshit? Anyways, so I'm like, okay, I'll let her continue going. And then she's like, yeah, it's gonna take half an hour. I'm like, so, okay, cool. How much is that gonna cost me? She goes, well, for half an hour, it's gonna be $81 plus the cost of the oil plus taxes. I'm like, oh, nice. Okay, cool. You know what? I didn't want to argue. I was just like, okay, sounds good. And she goes, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. I'm like, absolutely, we'll see you tomorrow. In my head, I'm like, absolutely not. You ain't finna send me back to freaking get a top-up, or you're gonna freaking charge me an arm and a leg. So imagine this. In 1.6 kilometers. If you have to do a top-up oil, let's say twice a month, y'all do the math on that shit, yo. Y'all do the math on that. On the top-up oil 1 liter, it's about $14.99 for the regular ones. And if you want to go, I think liquid moly is run for about $25. but for the mobile one, Castro, that's about $14.99. There were like 3 different brands that was $14.99. Liquid moly is kind of hard to find. You have to go to like specific venue or specific store to go get it. So I'm like, yeah, nah, we ain't gonna do that. But like I said, imagine you have to do it twice a month. You're gonna pay $81 plus $15 plus HST. Let's just round it up to $100. That's 2 bills a month just to get top up oil for your car. That's costing more than what the top of the liter is supposed to cost you, yo. So yeah, y'all just be aware when you're getting, you know, costs like this, and where the information that you're getting, you feel me? So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. But shout out to Pickering Auto Lab though for hooking me up, topping up the oil on this car. I'm after my trip to New York, I'm gonna be doing an oil change on this stills. So yeah, anyways, that being said, let's go get my tire change. I have a meeting, and yeah, I'm gonna holler y'all in a little bit. Yeah, YOLO. Alright, yo, so finally got the tires done here, but we got to do something with the rims, alright, because the rims are really chipped out. Either we're gonna be getting new rims on this car, and another thing too, the spacers. So these front spacers, we're definitely gonna have to change them because they don't align properly. And the rear ones, I'm gonna go in the back real quick, and I have some in the front here, which I'm gonna show you guys exactly what the hell is going on with the spacers from the previous owner. So at the front I have 245 30 20s, and on the back I have 305 30 20s. So it's a big chunk. And I was thinking to get my winter tires from the McLaren, but the thing is the 295s on the back with the McLaren, so it's not gonna fit the 205s. So now let me show you guys about the spacers. So these are the spacers here. So as you can see over here, the bolt was kind of hidden there, so it's not properly, this is not the right spacers for this car. And thank God they kind of, you know, figured it out, and I bought new spacers, which I just applied that in the rear, but I'm going to apply new spacers next week at the front. So this one's here, the bad, so no good. And then let's go to the rear. So like I was saying, this is 305s, and this is Pirelli's P0s, so pretty much the OEM tires. And you see how dinged up the rims are? It's like chipping out. So what I'm probably gonna be doing is I'm gonna most likely, like I said, get new rims on this car. I think this car kind of do new. I love the OEM rims, but I think we probably might need to purchase new rims. But again, I just need more subscribers, you feel me? And those are all the spaces that I have there. So this is silver. I wanted it black, but silver still works, because at the front you do have black ones there. So this car needs a lot of work, it needs a lot of love. And look at the fingerprint and stuff. So this car, we need to wash this car. It's so dusty right now. But that being said, that's pretty much what's going on with this car. And yeah, more work to come. I mean, it's a work in progress. For what I got for this car, kind of go with, you know, what I'm gonna spend to try to get all this itty busy, get it fixed. I don't think it should be a problem. I got a great deal here at Tire Connect. So that's where I got these tires from. So I need to fix the tail light. So the tail light I mentioned to y'all, the tail light is I'm gonna need to replace it this year. I think it's the left, I think it's this one here that's broken. I'm gonna have to replace this one because the brake light doesn't work. So that brake light works and that brake light works, but this brake light doesn't work at all. And also we're gonna need a new exhaust, because you know the car inside is pretty quiet. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go wash this car, and yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, you feel me? Like I said, we're close to 700 subscribers, so please make sure you smash the subscribe button on deck, you feel me? I appreciate it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Alright, YOLO.